Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about accounting. The topic today is about double declining balance method. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find about depreciation rate. That should be about 1 over useful life. We multiply by number 2 because this is about the double. That's why we need to multiply by number 2. So in this one, depreciation rate in here, that should be about 1 over number 4. That's it from here because we have 4 years. Then we multiply by number 2. And this one we have 0.5, or we can put about 50%. So for this one, we copy for F4. Now, the first year, that's about the number 0. We know that the book value of the machine, that's about 100,000. So we put 100,000 in here. And this one, that's about the dollar size. Similar for this one. And this one. So for the first year, beginning booking value, we have same value in here. Now, depreciation expense, we need to use about beginning book value multiplied by depreciation rate. And then accumulated depreciation, that's it about this one. And now we have this one minus this one, that is about depreciation expense. And we can get about ending book value. And we know that the next year beginning book value, that is same ending book value last year. So we put this one on here. And now we repeat this one multiplied by this one. And then this one plus this one, we can find accumulated depreciation. And we have this one minus this one. And we repeat again. Now, for the last year, we know that ending book value, that's about 2,000. We need to know that at the end of year number 4, that's about the last year, we don't need to use about depreciation rate. Now, we need to use about beginning book value minus about ending book value, because that's about the salvage value from here. And now we have this one plus this one. And that is the final answer. And you need to make sure that the sum of two values in here should be equal to 100,000. That's about the cost of the machine. This is the end. Thank you for watching.